Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Don't mind the new birthday present. I had to treat myself to something special for my 29th birthday. Also, I just finished being on a TV show, so it was another big reward I wanted to give myself. There's a lot more that I'll have to share about that with you guys later, but in this video, I'm just going to be covering specifically how and why I'm relaunching my Amazon FBA business. A little backstory on what Amazon FBA is and how I got into it was really, it's called Fulfillment by Amazon, and you're allowed to ship products into Amazon's warehouses from overseas, and that's what I do, and I started this in 2017. I find products that sell really well on Amazon, and then I get them overseas for like 5 times less expensive, and then I ship them directly into Amazon's warehouses, and then I rank them up to page 1, where customers find them organically, purchase the product, and then Amazon ships it out to the customers. So it leaves me hands off, and this was coming right after college when I thought, hey, maybe I need to get a real career at this point. But a crazy fluke accident happened to me and I broke my leg skateboarding, which allowed me to take time off of my part-time job, just lay around in bed, and I woke up at 5 or 6 a.m. every morning the moment I found out what Amazon FBA was, and I said, I'm not slowing down. I would literally hobble myself to my computer and start researching products with a broken leg, and you even can go back to my first video and see I'm literally showing my broken leg in my videos. So that's how I got started, and it's been a great money maker for me ever since. It's still running passively, and to be honest, I've barely put any work into this for literally the past year. Yesterday I still made 11 sales. Today I'm at 5 sales right now, but I'm really looking to start launching my products to the next level. And to do that, I'm actually lowering the heck out of all of my prices, almost 50% off, to the point where I'm just breaking even. I may be making $3 or $4 profit per sale, but it's undercutting a lot of the competitors, and then I'm turning my advertising costs just a little bit up so that I'm showing up more frequently, and when people see I have a big slash through my price and it says 50% off, and the offer that I'm doing is already such a massive bundle that it's already a great price, where I'm normally selling it at $45 and now I'm selling it $19.99. Obviously, I'm not planning on keeping my price this low forever, but what you need to do to start creating more ranking for your products so that you're showing up on page 1 for many keywords is to actually get sales velocity. If you're not getting sales, you'll quickly start falling lower and lower in the pages on Amazon when customers are searching for your product. So just yesterday, I slashed my prices and saw like a 400% increase in the amount of sales that I was already making. And I can now look at the top keywords for my product and see that I'm starting to show up on page 1 at the bottom already. And if I can get a little higher in the top third of page 1 for my main keyword, then the organic sales are really gonna start to kick off, and I can start bumping my price up to $24.99, $29.99, and eventually get it back to where I wanna sell it, where I'm making $25 profit per sale with a very simple product, where I get it for $9 and I sell it for $45. So I kind of took a big break from Amazon when I really dove in head first back into cryptocurrencies. Now, I was heavily involved with them in 2016, 2017. I also have old videos about that on the channel. But this latest bull run that happened in 2020 after the March pandemic crash, when stocks and crypto tanked, I was like, this is an amazing buying opportunity. I need to get in right now. And I just really started to learn as much as I possibly could about crypto. Now, even though I threw Amazon FBA by the wayside, it's still a passive income business that's allowed me to pull $60 to a few $100 every single day, despite me not even touching it in the past 6 months to a year. I rarely even go in and just check out my advertising. That's all already set up for me, and I'm spending a very low amount to get a very nice return on my sales. But having just made a product research video the other day, which was almost the last video I posted for you guys, I really got my spirit rekindled into being like, damn, like I'm finding this amazing product that in like 5-10 minutes, that's everyone on the first page at a minimum is doing $20,000 in sales a month. On the high end, they were doing a few $100,000 a month in sales. And one key thing that you got to look at is how many reviews all the other sellers have on the first page. Now, when I saw people making that much revenue and that many sales, and they all had like under 100 reviews on the first page, I was like, damn. It was this easy for me to find the product, and all the time I spent learning Amazon FBA, mastering it, I can easily come back to that business model and spark things up again. Now that's exactly what I did with cryptocurrency. I just put in all that time sacrificing other businesses, sacrificing my income, but to learn a very powerful skill that's gonna pay me out for many, many years and the rest of my life to come, because I don't think digital currencies or anything like that are going anywhere. Now, one big question you guys may have is, what about supply chain issues? What about your suppliers in China? Aren't shipping costs getting way more expensive? Now, I offer an Amazon FBA course which takes you step by step through everything, including special templates that I provide you on how to negotiate prices with suppliers. And I've been able to build relationships with suppliers and give them the right terminology to let them know that I'm a serious buyer. And I weigh my different pricing options between many different suppliers. I'm not just messaging one, I'm messaging 10 different factories and manufacturers that make the same product. And then I'm leveraging those different price points that they're giving me to get the best price and let the one supplier I really want to work with know that I can get it cheaper from someone else, but I want to work with you. So let's see if we can just get this price down for a quick test order, and I'll get that product in, sell out on Amazon, and come buy many, many more from you to come. It's amazing to really see. And actually, when I did the TV show, I literally had a whole 40 days where I couldn't even look at my cell phone. And by the time I came back after the show, I saw I had made over $10,000 in sales with no phone, not even looking at my phone. And my profit margin on that was about 40%. So I made about $4,500 extra without even looking at my phone. And that was really when it struck another chord with me to say, damn, like this business is completely passive. Why would I choose to really do anything else? I like the fact that I can do YouTube videos, and those run passively as well. It's something you put time into. A lot of hard work goes into building an Amazon business in the beginning. That's why I recommend getting a course, finding a mentor, someone who's already gone through the ropes. It's gonna save you so much time and money getting your first product launched successfully. But after you make that sacrifice, it's so worth it for you to get that stable passive income. And unlike cryptocurrency or the stock market, with Amazon FBA, you have full control over your products and your brand. You can choose whether or not you want to raise your price. You can choose whether or not you want to do another launch campaign to rank your product higher. With these other options to make money right now, it's very volatile. You have very little say-so unless you're in the charts every day looking at technical analysis before you can really say definitively, this is what I'm gonna do and this is how much money I'm gonna be able to make on that. With Amazon FBA, you can actually get products in, and really all the data is there for you. You see how many sales a month each product's making. You see the competition. You see what the listings look like and what they're bundling with. And if no one's bundling and every listing looks the same, you can find things to easily make yourself stand out. Now I hear the lawnmower going off there. I'm gonna start this bad boy up and I'm gonna go hit the trails. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Have a great day. Peace.